Hey guys, Jim Sherry from Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep here in Piqua, Ohio. You can also find us at sherry4x4.com. And if you're on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button down below. Put a comment in there what you think about the vehicle that I'm getting ready to showcase to you today. Make sure you click that like button also. Today's kind of a cool day. We got our first 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport Rocky Ridge K2 edition in. Brand new off the line, first one they've built, first one to market, first one to get a video up, first one to get pictures online, and of course, like always, the cheapest one in the country. So today, this is a 2020, like I said, Jeep Gladiator Sport Edition, white in color. I kind of go around it here real quick, go over some stuff, some features on it that they've done to it, and we'll get going. First and foremost, on a Sport, you do not get painted front and rear flares. Rocky Ridge went ahead and painted them for us, which gives a nice monochromatic look, along with the painted top, as you can see here. That is also not a standard feature from the factory when it comes to a Sport Gladiator or Wrangler in general. They come in black 3-piece hardtops. So we went in and ordered it as a black 3-piece hardtop, shipped it down to Rocky Ridge, and they went ahead and painted that for us to make it look 100% monochromatic from top to bottom, as you can see on this Wrangler. Another feature that they added to it is these step-up bars here. These step-up bars are very, very sturdy, very capable of handling both people at the same time. We actually put 2 guys on there, both weigh about 250 pounds apiece. No bendage at all. Very, very nice, heavy-duty step-up bar. For the wheels and tires on this unit, we opted for a 20-inch black wheel wrapped in a Mickey Thompson ATZ 35-inch tire. Great on the road, not noisy, but there again, got plenty of meat in case when you're off-road and get into a little mud and get you out of it, no problem. The lift on this thing is a 3.5-inch lift. Like I said, it's the first 3.5-inch lift to market as far as Rocky Ridge goes. On the rear of this vehicle, we didn't do too much to it. The only thing we did to it is the rear bumper. So we painted the rear bumper and left the black accent the way it came from the factory. So just kind of dressed it up a little bit, made it white to match the rest of the vehicle. There is the trailer tow group, as you saw right there. It does have your 4-pin and your 7-pin adapter right there. So that is from the factory, standard feature. Not a standard feature, but an option from the factory. 3.5-inch lift, like I said, monochromatic, top to bottom. Really nice unit. Drives better than factory. I never thought I'd say that about a lifted truck in general, but this thing drives better than a factory Gladiator. Onto the front of the vehicle, we did put a Fab 4 front bumper on this thing. Really nice, gives us a great stance in the front, looks nice and meaty. 30-inch light bar, as you can see in the center. We got cube lights on each side. Those are also LED. Nice red tow hooks underneath, give it a nice look for the front end. And of course, if you need to pull anybody out or pull yourself out, they're definitely nice to have. This vehicle does have the 3.6 liter Pentastar motor, the 8-speed automatic transmission, trail rated. Onto the inside, pretty much all standard in here. Cloth seat, as you can see. We'll start at the top here, actually. This is that 3-piece hardtop. So as you can see, this piece right here, this clip comes undone, and then this clip comes undone, and this whole side over here on the driver's side would pop out. And then same on the passenger side. So you remove them 2 clips, and the 1 clip up front, and then this one pops out. Those are the really easy ones. That's what we see most of our customers doing, is just taking out the front 2 pieces. Gives plenty of noise, plenty of wind, and you can definitely, people in the back feel it too. It's a really nice feature that I'm glad Jeep came out with many years ago. That's definitely been a customer favorite from what we see. But also, the rear top can come off too. So the whole rear top is a 1-piece, including the back window. So it'll come off, and you can have all the wind you want in your hair. It's a really cool thing to have, fun to do every now and then. And in this black glass also is, it does have rear defrost on it, so your rear window's getting fogged up, you can definitely hit that button and get that fixed. So. Garage door openers right here, which is nice to have. Program your garage door in there. You never have to carry around a garage door opener anymore. Up to 3 of them in this vehicle. Everything's touchscreen with this particular Jeep, so you can operate your radio, your media, your climate. There's some apps in there that you can adjust, move stuff around, utilize the maps in any way you want to. You can hook your phone up. It does have Bluetooth capability with this. Uconnect phone, you can hook it up, and it also can be you can answer your phone from the steering wheel, as you can see here, and your phone calls. Never have to touch your phone, which is a really nice feature. Cruise control right here on the right hand of your steering wheel. Makes it nice. Right there you are. Power locks, power windows. Your power window buttons are right there. You also have all your media controls, auxiliary, 12 volt. So it's got it all. Shifter, obviously 4 high, 4 low, neutral. Like I said, automatic transmission, heated steering wheel, heated seats. This is just a really, really well-equipped vehicle. And the cool thing about this thing, Gladiator 2, is the Jeeps and Wrangler, there's plenty of rear leg room. So if you're an adult and need to sit in the back, I'm 6 foot tall and I can sit back here and be very, very comfortable. So it's definitely a very, very roomy vehicle. You do have rear vents back here, as you can see right there, along with your rear windows. You can roll them up and down right under that. Speakers for this unit, as far as for surround sound, are going to be on the rack up here, which is nice. Definitely if you have the top off, it definitely keeps that noise right in your face, and you can definitely hear your radio crystal clear. So again, this is the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This is the Sport Edition from the factory with all kinds of goodies from the factory, but that wasn't good enough. So we sent down to Rocky Ridge. We put a 3.5-inch lift on it. Wrapped it, we put a 20-inch rim, wrapped it in a 35 Mickey Thompson, painted the flares, painted the top, painted the rear bumper, put some nice step-up boards on there, and of course the front bumper. Fab Four did a great job. 30-inch light bar on that front bumper, nice cube lights on each side. Just a gorgeous vehicle. Again, this vehicle is located at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram. We're located in Pickle, Ohio. We deliver nationwide. We can put it on a truck, or we can have a driver put it in your driveway. Whatever works for you. Please give us a call, 937-778-0830. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Give us a like, throw a comment in there. And once again, 2020 Jeep Gladiator, Rocky Ridge K2.